The Actions panel also includes a way that you can record and save your own actions. These custom actions can be added to a unique set. If you click this button, you can name the set to keep them separate from the default actions. With the set selected, click the Create New Action button to open up a dialog box where you can name the new action and specify the set that it is going to appear within. You can also specify a function key and give it a specific color to make it easy to identify. Once a new action is created, the action automatically begins recording. You can tell when it's recorded because the record button down here is red. While it's recording, every new command that you do is automatically added to the action. For this action, I'm just using some move and transform buttons to quickly create a simple array of objects. When you're finished recording all the steps of the action, click on the Stop button. You can then replay the action at any time by simply clicking on the action in the Actions panel and clicking the Play Current Selection. You can also expand a given selection and click the Record button to add to an existing action. This gives you a way to kind of edit the actions that you've created. If I use an action that opens a dialog box, then I can click on the Toggle Dialog Box column to cause that the action open the dialog box as part of the action. If this step is disabled, then the action will accept the values that were in the dialog box when I recorded the action.